Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall solve the questions of the exercise 2.3 of the chapter on functions of class 11 Mathematics. Exercise 2.3. First question. Which of the following relations are functions? Which of the following relations are functions? Give reason. Give reason. If it's a function, it is a function, then find domain and range of the function. Range of the function. First part is the given relation is 1 1, 2 1, 5 1, 8 1, 11 1, 14 1, 17 1. In this case, we can delete this one. It is not included. It starts from 2 1. 2 1. Now we have seen that the first elements of every ordered pair is different, and every element of every first element has an image. Since first element of all ordered pairs are different and each element has an image, therefore it is a function. It's a function. Domain of function is set of all the first elements 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. And range of function is set of second elements which is only 1 because all are related to 1. Then we take second question. Second part of this question. The relation is second part. The relation is 2 1, 4 2, 6 3, 8 4, 10 5, 12 6, 14 7, 14 7. Again, exactly in the same way as in first part, all the first elements, first number of all ordered pairs are same. Since first number of all ordered pairs are different, ordered pairs are different, and every first number has an image, so it is a function. We can check 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, all these are different, and 2 has image 1, 4 has 2, 6 has 3, 8 has 4, 10 has 5, 12 has 6, and 14 has 7. All have images, so it's a function. Domain of f is, domain of function is set of first numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Range of function is set of second elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we take third part. Third part. The given relation is, third part, given relation is 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Now here you can see the first number of first two ordered pairs are same. So it's not a function. The first entries, first numbers of every ordered pair should be different, only then it will be a function. Since first number of 1, 3 and 1, 5 is same, that is 1. So it is not a function. It is not a function. Second question, find domain and range of, find domain and range of functions. First part, minus mod x. Second part, square root of 9 minus x square. Solution. First part, we have fx is minus mod x. Since fx is defined for all real numbers, therefore domain of f is set of real numbers. Now to find range of the function, since mod x is greater than equal to 0, so minus mod x is less than equal to 0, means fx is less than equal to 0. Fx is range, therefore range of f is minus infinity to 0, closed interval. So that's all. In second part, second part, we have fx is equal to square root of 9 minus x squared. Now, fx is defined for 9 minus x squared greater than or equal to 0. That means minus x squared is greater than or equal to minus 9, which implies x squared less than or equal to 9. That means mod x is less than or equal to 3. So therefore, minus x less than or equal to 3 or x less than or equal to 3, which implies x greater than or equal to minus 3 or x less than or equal to 3. When we combine these two, we get minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Therefore, domain of function is minus 3, 3. To find range of function. To find range of function when x increases from minus 3 to 0, then f increases from 0 to 3. That is, when x is 0, then square root 9 minus x squared is 9 minus 0, which is 3. And when x is 3, then square root 9 minus x squared is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So in this way, it increases from 0 to 3. When x increases from minus 3 to 0, f increases from 0 to 3. That is when x is 0, we are getting this. When x is minus 3, so we are getting 0. Now, and when x increases from 0 to 3, when x increases from 0 to 3, then f decreases from 3 to 0. That is, when x is 3, then 9 minus 9 is 0. And when x is 0, then 9 minus x squared is 9 minus 0, which is 3. So when x increases from 0 to 3, then f decreases from 3 to 0. Therefore, a range of the function is, first of all, it increases from 0 to 3, then it decreases from 3 to 0. So range of function is 0 to 3. That's all. These are first two questions of exercise 2.3. In the next video, we shall take remaining questions of exercise 2.3 of function. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.